In this lecture, I'll explain you key features of a bond. The first feature of the bond is a borrower. A borrower may be a government or a corporate which borrows money from individuals and institutions and agrees to pay interest as well as a principal at the end of the maturity period. And the second feature of a bond is the par value or a face value. The par value is the value at which a bond is issued, and a par value is a value which is considered to calculate the coupon amount. That means if a bond is issued for $1,000, then coupon amount is calculated on this $1,000. And the third comes the maturity date. So when we say maturity date, it is the date on which the borrower repays the principal amount, that is the par value, to the lender. That means if a bond is issued for a period of 30 years in the year 2020, then the maturity date will be year 2050. And next is time to maturity. As a bond have a long duration beginning from 0 to 10, 20, 30, 100 years. So any amount that is left out is called as a time to maturity. Example of time to maturity is, suppose a 30-year bond is issued in the year 2010. Now we are in 2020. So this bond will have 20 more years till to its maturity, that we call as a time to maturity. That means initially when a bond is issued at a 2010 plus 30 years, that is 2040. Now we are in a 2020. From 2020 to 2040 is 20 years. This is time to maturity. Next comes coupon interest rate. When a bonds are issued, the borrower will mention how much amount or what is the rate of coupon that the organization is going to pay. Let us say the coupon rate may be 6%, 6.25%, 4.25% or 4.65% per annum. So this we call as a coupon interest rate. And on the other hand, coupon amount is the amount denominated in a dollars or dollar amount or a currency amount paid for the lender. So that means in case of a coupon amount, suppose if a coupon rate is a 10% and par value is 1,000, on this $1,000, 10% is paid as an interest. So that is 1,000 into 10%, so it comes to $100. So coupon amount is $100. Then coupon payments. Now coupon payments in the sense how many times in a year coupon is paid to the lender. Now normally coupons are paid annually, but when it comes to the corporate bonds, coupons are paid semi-annually. That means in a year there will be 2 coupon payments. There are instances where coupons are paid on a quarterly basis and also on a monthly basis. That means if a company issues bonds with 12 coupon payments, that means every month it will make a coupon payment. So annual interest or annual coupon rate is divided by number of coupon payments. And finally the issue date. The date on which bonds are issued is called as a issue date. So these are the key features of the bonds, and every bond certificate will contain this information. Thank you.